Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll and find home screen and style. Then let's tap on this wallpaper option. And as you can see here, we've got some options, some pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got also the option select from gallery. So of course you can set your own photo as a wallpaper, or you can simply tap on more wallpapers, which is at the very bottom of the list. And then you will be transferred to the HUAWEI Themes. And you will be able to either download the wallpaper and pay for it, because here we've got some options which are paid, or you can simply go to categories, go to the top free, and here we've got the options which are free of charge, and you can simply download them. But be aware, because you will need to have your account added and you have to be logged in. So let me choose something from the pre-installed options, for example this one. Just tap on this specific wallpaper to check the preview of it. Here we've got the lock screen, and after tapping on the screen we can switch to the home page. We can tap on this drop icon and blur the effect. So just by using the switcher, by going to the right, you can make it blurred, and by going to the left, much sharper. So it's totally up to you how you wish to apply it. And basically the option, for example, if you will set it on blur, it will also appear on the lock screen. So it is, let's say, combined. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now let's go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.